Good morning, everyone. So, this is your GK class, and now we are going to study page number 6 and 7 of your GK book. Just for laughs. Laughter is a happy sound, which is something we all can share and understand no matter what language we speak or which place we come from. So, we have to understand laughter can be recognized by anyone, and it doesn't matter from which language or which place he knows or he belongs to, it doesn't matter. Anyone can share it, anyone can understand it. When we laugh, we make sounds. Our breathing pattern changes and we sometimes get a bit breathless. और हमारा जो ब्रीथिंग पैटर्न है वो भी चेंज हो जाता है और कभी कभी तो हम अपने सांसें भी रोक देते हैं. Our faces change. We use around 15 muscles in our faces. We show our teeth, widen our mouth, our eyes wrinkle up, and we might even have tears. तो हमारे फेस जो चेंज हो जाते हैं, लगभग 15 मसल्स हम यूज करते हैं हंसते हुए. हम अपने टीथ को दिखाते हैं, अपने माउथ को वाइडन करते हैं, चौड़ा करते हैं, अपनी आईज को सिकोड़ लेते हैं. तो और कभी कभी तो टीयर्स भी, आंसू भी आ जाते हैं हंसते हुए हमारी आंखों से. Our body moves. Our head may go back and forth. Legs may lift. Arms and bodies might shake. और बॉडीज भी हमारी मूव करती है. हमारा हेड कभी आगे जाता है, कभी पीछे जाता है हंसते हुए. लेग्स भी हम कभी कभी लिफ्ट कर लेते हैं. आर्म्स और बॉडी भी हमारी शेक करने लगती है. राइट. These are the facts about laughing. So let's read these jokes. Teacher Jatin, what can you tell us about the Dead Sea? It's the name of a sea. Jatin, I did not even know it was sick. Jatin says that even I don't know it was sick. What a joke. Teacher Sonia, spell mouse. Sonia says MOUS. Teacher says, yes, and what is on the end of it? Sonia, tail. A teacher has a bad memory. For 3 days, she asked us how much is 2 and 2. We told her it was 4, but she still doesn't know. Today, she asked us again. Good jokes. Now, let's understand something about our bodies. So, first question is that what is the outer layer of our skin called? हमारे स्किन की जो आउटर लेयर है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? सेकेंड, हाउ मच वॉल्व्स आर देयर इन द ह्यूमन हार्ट? ह्यूमन हार्ट के अंदर कितनी वॉल्व्स हैं? नेक्स्ट, विच इज द आउटर लेयर ऑफ टूथ कॉल्ड? टूथ की जो आउटर लेयर होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट जॉइंट इन आवर बॉडी इज अ बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट? कौन सा जॉइंट ऐसा है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो बॉल सॉकेट जॉइंट है? विच बोन इज नोन एज द फनी बोन? तो कौन सी बोन को फनी बोन के नाम से जाना जाता है? What is the name of the substance that gives skin and hair its pigment? ऐसा कौन सा सब्सटेंस है जो स्किन और हेयर देते हैं इसके कलर को? What substance are nails made of? जो हमारे नेल्स हैं वो किस सब्सटेंस से, किस तत्व से बनते हैं? What are the two holes in your nose called? जो हमारे नोज के अंदर दो होल्स होते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? What are bones called that make up your spine? तो हमारी वो कौन सी बोन है, तो क्या बोलते हैं जिससे हमारी स्पाइन बनती है? What is the inner layer of our skin called? हमारे स्किन की जो इनर अंदरूनी लेयर है उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? So this is the clue box. So 10 answers are written here. First is 4, second is dermis, third is epidermis, fourth is cretin. No, so that's a cretin. Next is melanin. Next is vertebrae. Next is nostril. Next is humerus. Next is enamel. Next is hip. So, let's see that which is the right answer for them. What is outer layer? Outer layer is that is called epidermis. Epidermis is outer layer of our skin. Second, how many volts are there in human heart? 4. Third, what is the outer layer of tooth cold? Tooth की जो outer layer है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? That is, let me see the answer. Enamel. That is called enamel. Fourth, which joint in our body is a ball and socket joint? That is, let me see. That is the right answer is that hip. H-I-P, hip. Fifth, which bone is known as the funny bone? So right answer is that humerus. Humerus is called the funny bone. Sixth, what is the name of the substance that gives skin and hair its pigment? Right answer is that melanin. Next, what substance are nails made of? So right answer is keratin. Next question, what are the two holes in your nose called? So right answer is nostrils. Question number 9. What are the bones called that make up your spine? So right answer is that vertebrae. Vertebrae is right answer. Question number 10. What is the inner layer of your skin called? So right answer is that dermis. Right. So these were the right answer. Now B part. Write any two source of the following. So हमें इन विटामिन के प्रोटीन्स के सोर्स बताने हैं. So proteins, vitamin B, carbohydrate, vitamin A, fats, fiber, calcium, phosphorus. From where we get it? So protein we get from the beans and eggs. Means फलियां जो होती हैं उनको beans बोलते हैं. Beans. Vitamin B we get from the lentils and dates. Means मशरूम की दाल होती है, lentils and dates खजूर होते हैं, वहां से विटामिन बी मिलता है. And carbohydrates we get from rice and potatoes. Vitamin A we get from carrots and green leaves vegetables. Fats we get from oils and ghee. Fibers we get from fruits and legumes. Legumes means फलियां जो होती हैं हमारी. Calcium we get from milk and green leafy vegetables. And phosphorus we get from meat and nuts. Right? So dear students, these two pages you have to learn and you have to understand. Thank you so much.